So hello everybody, thank you for joining this call. Let's wait for a few more minutes if more people is gonna log in, and then we are gonna start with the live tutorial of TradeLocker. Let's give it like 2 or 4 minutes, and then we are gonna go right into it. Also, if you are gonna have any questions, I will first do like the introduction and show you the TradeLocker platform, and then you can just write them in YouTube channel, and I will answer them after the tutorial. Okay. Okay, let's give it like 1 or 2 minutes and we will go right into it. Okay, so I guess we can start. So I will share you my screen and let's go. Share screen. Okay, so you should be now able to see my screen. So first of all, thank you all for joining. And we understand that switching to a new platform can be quite stressful if you are on your challenges or funded accounts. So we wanted to do it as easy for you as possible. So that's the reason for this webinar. So I hope everything's working fine. And currently, so the basic steps, everybody received their login credentials in their email, but the easiest way to log into your TradeLocker account is actually going to your dashboard. I have it here prepared, and just simply copy your login credentials. You go to trading platform. Here you choose whatever you wish. I personally used to trade through the web, so I press login here and just simply copy the necessary stuff here like this. Here you put your email and your password. So also when you are logging to your TradeLocker, make sure that you are using demo, not live, because if I switch to live and put my login credentials again, it will show me that the login credentials are invalid. But if I switch to demo again and put in my login credentials again, it should let me join my TradeLocker platform. So here in my TradeLocker platform, you can see that I played here. So first of all TradeLocker accounts are under one account. So if you want to switch between them, you can find all your TradeLocker accounts here, and you can just switch to different accounts immediately, which is super cool. So let's go back to my first account, which should be, see, this one. Here, TradeLocker offers super cool tools. So first of all, the trading view charts are integrated in TradeLocker. So basically what you can, in the past you had to analyze your trades on TradingView, but now you can do it straight from your TradeLocker account, which is amazing. As you can see, everything that you can do on TradingView, you can also do on TradeLocker. So here you can basically change your time frames. You can easily add your favorite time frames, so you can switch between them. You can also have all these tools that you can have on TradingView. You can also have here. So if you want to, for example, like use chart, like your take profit tool, or if you want to use your lines, you can easily add them here. Also, you can use, for example, like Fibonacci or all that stuff. So also on TradeLocker, you have integrated indicators. So for example, here you can add, if I was a person that uses, for example, moving averages, I can just type down moving average and it will give me all these interesting indicators, which is definitely one of the best tools that TradeLocker offers. So then you can also on TradeLocker easily change your charts. For example, you can switch them to light mode. You can easily change colors of your charts if you want to have it like this. It's super simple to do it like this. So that's for the charting tool. I would say that it's pretty self-explanatory. Also, for example, if you have different strategies that require indicators, you can easily create your layout here. Here you can put in moving average. And then if you, for example, have different strategy that uses different indicator, you can easily integrate back right away. So that's super simple too. So let's get rid of that. Then what also TradeLocker offers is you can find all your trading pairs here. But if you, for example, like to trade euro dollar like me, you can just type down euro dollar and mark it as your favorite. And then if you press here the star, it will just show all your favorite pairs like this. So let's continue. If you have any questions, you can also type them on YouTube and I will answer them after this quick tutorial. So then what also you can do, let me just change this color because I like to keep it clean. So like this. Okay, sorry for that. You can see it's super easy, basically like using TradingView. Also here, some people might have a problem that they don't see the countdown to bar close. So make sure that here on scales, go to countdown to bar close and you press this so you can see when basically the candle will close. Yeah, so let me just see what else we should go over. Yeah, then here is basically history of your trades. You can see that currently I have no positions open, 0 pending positions. Here you can see closed positions, my balance that I'm currently in a loss, and there should be a history of trades. You can easily adjust it to what time frame or like time you want to show. So it's super easy. Here also on charts, you can easily adjust it to your time zone. We are currently in Prague, so I will just switch it easily like this to Prague time zone. And now probably the most important thing regarding TradeLocker, of course, it's platform for trading, so you need to know how to place your trades, right? So you can easily have it set like this, where you can, for example, by one click only open positions. Then if you go to positions, you can easily close it or modify. I will show you everything like later. So also, let me just go to settings. Here you can have one-click trading active or if disabled. If you disable it, basically, let's just wait for this to. You won't be able to. It will ask you always if you want to open the position. So if you want to have this like security measure that you won't accidentally open a position, it's great thing to use. I personally don't use it, so I just have it set like this, confirm, and that's it. Now about placing trades, easiest way for me is here you can see the market panel. It will show you all your pairs. If you don't want to see it, you can just close it down. Then here you have orders panel. Basically here you can place your orders. Here you can see that for now I have it set for market. So it will basically, if I place buy, it will be a market order. Simple as that. I will close the position. Then if I switch it to pending, it will basically switch to pending order. Amazing thing here is you can now see that currently here's, if I make it more clear, now here it shows buy limit. It means if price comes here, it will trigger me into the trade, and then I'm gonna be looking for buys. And also I have sell stop automatically created. So if price goes like through this order, if it was set for sell stop, it will trigger me into the trade, and I would be expecting the price to go lower. You can also see that once I've placed the pending order, it shows here in pending orders. Here you can see all the details. Also, if I click on it like this, it will allow me to adjust the position as I wish. So let's now close this pending order and continue in an explanation. Easiest thing, if you wanted to have like, you can also like maximize your order panel. And here you can see, for example, if I wanna place an order, you can also do it straight from the chart. You can hover your cursor on the trading chart and just click on this plus button, and it will offer you to basically, for example, put stop loss in, or it will offer you to take profit in. You can see that for now I have it set for sell, so my take profit has to be below this price. If I switch this to buy, my take profit has to be above this price. Also super self-explanatory. Now let's put it in to show you an example how you can easily basically do everything from this platform. Is you can see there was, let me just adjust it so you can see it nicely. We can draw this rectangle. This will be our OB. You can also see there was break of structure. So I personally would be expecting the price to come back here in the zone, mitigate this price, and then continue higher. So what's super simple, if you don't want to wait for any confirmation, here you go to pending, you draw your pending order here, then you put in stop loss. To get for example, I would put my stop loss here because there can be some liquidity still, so stop loss will be put here. And here comes the super nice thing that TradeLocker offers. Basically, if you don't want to, you can also like calculate the lot size yourself, then play with it here. It will show you how many dollars you are risking, depending if you are using one lot. But what's amazing with TradeLocker, if you don't want to calculate the lot size yourself, you can easily here switch to risk. And then, for example, here, put your stop loss right here. And here, for example, if you want to risk $100, it will show $100. It will show you how much of your capital it actually is. But you can also see that here, it will change the lot size for it to basically risk the percent or the amount you wish. So you basically don't have to calculate your lot size anywhere else. You can easily do it in this platform. Then, for example, if you put in that you want to risk $200, it will also automatically recalculate your lot size. So that's super amazing. And you can just press the buy limit. So now you can see that the order is set, and just wait for the price to come here and enter. You can still modify the position if you click on it. If you click on it here on this pen. And for example, some people like to use trading stop loss. Sorry, for people that don't understand how trading stop loss work. Basically, if you enter a trade and it goes, for example, let me show you an example. If it goes up, if you are expecting buyers that are going to be bullish, and it moves 10 pips, and you here it is set this number here, it's ticks. To put it in perspective, one pip consists of 10 ticks. So basically this is 10 pips stop loss. And what this means that, for example, is if your account or your position moves 10 pips in profit, the trailing stop loss means that the stop loss will be always 10 pips from the highest point where price reached. So if, for example, let's say we've entered here in the trade and our stop loss was here, which is 10 pips. Once price got here to this point, this stop loss here would also move to be 10 pips from the price. So that's how trading stop loss works, and it's super simple, and you can basically use it to trade more safely. And I personally don't use it, but I know that a lot of people enjoy trading stop loss a lot. I would say then, of course, here, if you don't wanna, you can discard the position here and just close it like this. Here you can also, you don't have to expand it like this. You can keep it simple and just here, for example, if you wanna do buy, you can see it's market. Here you have it set for buy, stop loss. You just press buy, and you are in position. Simple as that. Then if you wanna do the sell, you can, here you can see that it's still market, so you just press sell and you would be in second positions. Here you can see that the positions are running, so you can either edit position, partial close the position. For example, if you feel like this position is quite risky, you can easily change it to close half of the position and just easily as that close it. I think it's actually super easy to understand. If you have any questions, write them down. And if you are interested in anything else, let me know and I will respond to that. So I think we went over everything that's required to basically master TradeLocker. Yeah, so let me see if I didn't forget about anything. Yeah, I would say it's fine. So I will stop sharing the screen. Bring back Jan Schreier. Yeah, he's still in for traders, so you don't have to worry about that. He's our head trader, so but he's still with us, so don't worry about it. And what's so special about TradeLocker that everyone finds it better to take trades opposed to MT5? To put it very simply, TradeLocker is newer, and you don't have to use like TradingView or different applications that will, for example, help you calculate lot size. TradeLocker has everything integrated in it, so it's super simple, super friendly, and just easy to use. So I would say that's the reason why a lot of firms, a lot of people are currently enjoying the TradeLocker more than MT5 or MT4. So I'll just, if you have any more questions or if it was perfectly clear what I told you here, just let me know. Otherwise, you can have like 4 or 5 more minutes for questions. Or otherwise, we will probably finish this quick tutorial to TradeLocker. Okay, so I can see that there will probably not be any more questions. So thank you for joining this call and good luck with your trading, everybody. Bye-bye. Easy.